Hi there, it's Julius here from Versum with some good news. Amidst all the chaos caused by the lockdown, salons, home-based beauty businesses, and even solo specialists can still make a profit, as the Versum team has just released its latest feature, online vouchers, which will ensure you financial liquidity during this difficult time. So I'll cover exactly how this feature works and what you can do to get the most out of it. These vouchers can be purchased by clients during the lockdown and redeemed once you reopen. To encourage clients to do so, you can include bonuses such as priority booking, an additional treatment or product, or a customized offer for clients who purchase them. Creating these vouchers in your Versum account is simple. Here's how to get started. Once you've logged into your Versum account, simply click on the Settings section and click on Online Booking. From there, select Online Vouchers from the left-hand side. In order to activate this feature, you have to have the PayPal Payments add-on enabled. Once you do so, you can choose any number of bonuses to offer clients who purchase your vouchers, like a free product, treatment, priority booking, or a custom offer. Once your vouchers are activated, your clients will be able to purchase them, and when they do so, 2 emails will be sent out from the system, one to you informing you of the purchase, and the other to your client, with the voucher in PDF format. Selling vouchers with tempting offers will make it more likely for customers to purchase them. And best of all, they're valid for up to 12 months, which gives customers plenty of time to utilize them. Selling vouchers now also ensures income fluidity during the lockdown and a flood of bookings once you reopen. And as an added bonus, we've also created a free set of voucher templates, which you can download from the link in the video description. And don't forget to get the word out about your vouchers on social media pages and inform clients directly using Versum's text or email messaging system. If you haven't done so already, sign up today and get your Versum account free for 2 weeks and start selling your vouchers.